Hello everyone. My name is Linda Guno. I am the Master Certified Wedding Planner and Florist of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia. We do full service, partial, month of coronations. We do destination weddings, milestone celebration that include birthday, anniversary, bridal shower, baby shower, you just name it, or anything pretty much that need planning and decor we handle. Or I have over 10 plus years in the industry. I started as a hobby, just doing something for friends and family, things that I love, and I turned my business into what it is now, an amazing company. And I am so excited each day that I quit my job many years ago and never looked back since. And I'm really proud of what I do. So, today I did promise you guys we're going to talk about routine, because this whole idea of doing this video is what I can do to help couples and anyone at playing the event with some of the things that you do to help your day make it a success and go on and do forward. So today we are going to talk about wedding day steps, the routine that you need to do for your makeup and all the other information and so on and so forth. Okay, so as I said prior before, anything that when in regards to makeup and face skin healthcare, you want to start it early on. I would say at least 6 months before. You want to start a routine, and you want to keep that going. If you can start it sooner than that, it's okay. If you already don't have a skincare routine already, most females that I do already have the care routine. So if you have something that you're already doing, I would say maybe 3 months before, even 1 month before, you can intensify it a little bit. So there's a wedding day prep step that I would say that you do to get your skin ready. How to prep your skin for your makeup, because there's a lot of you put in a lot of things on your face and a lot of things that you need to do, and some of the things that the episode said how to get yourself ready to keep so your face don't dry out, it don't break out. There's a lot of things that you need to do. So your wedding day skincare steps is pretty simple. So I'm gonna go step by step on what it is that you need to do before the day, like the night of your wedding. One thing I will say, do not, and I repeat, do not exfoliate the day before your wedding. Do not exfoliate the day of your wedding. At least I would say at least 2 weeks before your wedding, you can do a full. That's whether you can go to the spa, you can do a treatment, you can do anything you want at least 2 weeks before. Some people take the chances and go a week before. For me, I feel like that's cutting it close. I'd rather be safe than sorry, because if you're getting a chemical pill or you getting anything on your skin, you want to give it enough time if it have to clean and it have to heal up or whatever it is, but you don't want your skin to be irritated. And then one of the most important things I would say, do not start a new routine, do not use no new face care product. If you know this is, choose something that you already know that already work for you. Do not try new products at least 1 month before your wedding. Do not try it because, or the day of your wedding, the day before. Don't try anything because a friend said, oh, it's good and you decide to try it. No, 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 no. Because if you try it and it mess up your skin, you would be so mad at yourself. So don't try anything new. Do not exfoliate. If you don't take anything out of the video, those are the two things that you need to know. Do not try new skincare product a couple of weeks before your wedding, a couple of days before your wedding, even a month before your wedding. Don't try anything new, because you don't know how it's going to react to your skin. By the time you start using it, you think it's working, and next thing you know, you're a whole mess. Your face look totally a mess. So don't do it. Step one, or the same thing, everybody, most people should know this by now. You should have your routine. Step one, have a nice cleanser. You want to be able to wash your face out, take all the dirt, the excess dirt. And then people say, well, I took a shower and I wash my face. No, you need a proper cleanser to cleanse your skin. There's no way going by it before. You want to make sure your skin hydrate. Number two, you need a serum. Some kind of serum. Serum is really, really great for your skin. It hydrates your skin, and make sure you're using a water-based serum as well. It hydrates your skin. It keep your skin glowing. It give it that extra things that calm and have, especially when you have all the skin still focused on it. You want to make sure you have a serum on your skin. So after clean skin, you want to have a nice, and then if you are using a toner, and so and make sure that it don't have alcohol based, like you want, like for sometimes some people use the product that I use, I would say, and I have, and not just saying that, I tried a lot. I tried Clinique, I tried it all, It still doesn't typically work for me. I'm not giving any reference to anybody to say that they do it. I know that's my go-to product to use. I Sometimes I will say I fall back on my skincare routine, and sometimes I go a while without doing it, and I will admit. But I do know that if I need to get my skin on track, I can just go ahead and use that, and it will get me right on track of what I need. And I'm when it comes to my face, I'm lazy at times. I will say that to do things, but try to do that. And three, you want to moisturize. You need a good moisturizer, especially at night when you wash your face. Even like I tell people, it's good to wash your face day and night, but even if you don't do it in the day, make sure you do it at night. Because have that good moisturizer working really good, that will help your skin. Because your skin, it take care. The same way you take care of your inner part of your body, you want to take care of the outside, because all that help it. So something really good. And like I said, the day before your wedding, this we're talking about the day of your wedding. This is the routine that you need to do. Not to say that you shouldn't do it before, but this is just what you want to hydrate. You want to use a serum. You want to use a moisturizer. Do not forget your SPF. I know we're saying women go, oh, I don't need it. I'm fine. You're going to be sitting in the sun. You're going to be going through a lot of places. You're going to be doing the cold, the heat. You want to make sure, especially at nighttime, you want to make sure you have that SPF on your skin. So make sure you have it on your skin to take care of it. It doesn't matter what color you are. It doesn't matter what race you are. There's certain things for our skin that our skin do need, and you need to put in your skin. Have a primer. You want to have a primer. Most makeup artists already have a primer for your skin, but you want to make sure you have a good enough primer that will help your makeup, give it that whole even tone. And no, there are different types. I know, like for dry skin, all the skin out, and I will say, talk to your makeup artist, because some makeup artists prefer to use their primer that they have, so you can make sure what they have, and you can just ask them, and they will tell you, yeah, I got someone not that. But and also when you do use your makeup artist, make sure you research them and make sure they are people not only that they are makeup artists too, but they know how to take care of your skin and they know how to do certain things you want to do. I would say the things that you do not want to do the day before your wedding, you don't want to do, and I'm being serious, it's very critical when it comes to your, you do not, and I said it earlier, you do not want to exfoliate, because it will break your skin out. You don't want to try no new product. And if you are doing airbrush, I know some people do try to do airbrush makeup. There are different routines that you need to do, because you want to make sure that your skin is smoother, is softer, and things like that before you do it. Make sure you have, I don't know, do some mask to reset your body. Stay away from salty food. You do not want to have anything a high salt intake, especially the day before your wedding, or make your eyes puffy. Try to get enough rest. Stay hydrated. Those are all the things that can keep you face relaxed, looking healthy, looking smoother. And I promise you, ladies, especially those who wear makeup and get face beat all the time. I know some people who get wear makeup every single day, and I mean full on blown face beat, that the face, the pores are not right. That when they take out the makeup, they look older than it's supposed to look. There's nothing wrong with it. Try to make sure that you let your face breathe a little bit. Sometimes let it out. And I know sometimes people use makeups as a cover, but especially if you are using a lot of makeup and hair makeup, it clog the pores. Make sure you using a proper skincare to keep your skin healthy underneath, because sometimes makeup, people don't realize it, that makeup make you look older. It clog your pore, that you, and now instead of you start from one location, you have the drowning and drowning and drowning. So when you are putting all these heavy makeup on, and I understand some people love makeup and there's nothing wrong with it, I completely understand it. If you are going to do that, make sure you spend that money, the same money. That's why I look at people, you spend a lot of money on makeup, spend a lot of money on your skin to take care of your skin, because in the end, you just crackling skin, you're making yourself look 200 times younger, older, I should say, not younger, excuse me, making yourself look older than you wanted to, because you just clocking, your face cannot breathe. It's like you doing your hair and you just clocking it and clocking up. Every skin need to breathe. Like even the same thing with the clothes. So it's like, think about it, when it's you know position where it's extremely cold and you put something extra hard to layer and layer and layer, you start to sweat. Your body need air. Everything need air to breathe. Your pores need to breathe. So you're clocking layers and later of contour and makeup and changing your whole face to look like something else. And I understand, ladies, don't get me wrong. I'm not bashing anybody. Everybody love it that you are all beautiful within your skin. There's nothing wrong whether you choose to wear makeup, whether you choose not to wear makeup. You are beautiful in your own right. And I completely understand that. My only thing I'm saying is that just take care of your skin. Invest in a great skin product. It don't necessarily have to be expensive. You don't have to go for the top expensive brand of makeup or name brand. Pick something that work with you. Like for me, I had to try many products to find what it is that I use now. I know what works best for me. So I don't try to do anything else. I stick with what I know. And it took me years of trying to find that. Sometimes certain things will work for a little bit and it don't change. I don't want something to alter my skin. I want something to give myself that radiant glow that I will look great in whatever I do. But I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and the founder of Linda Perfection Creations. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All the information about my site is in the comment section. Thank you and have an amazing day. You can find me on my website, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye for now.